Look, I got my buddy Sid with me. And we're gonna try a little experiment. I brought with me a hippopotamus. Yes, a hippopotamus, yeah, I know. Yeah, this hippopotamus is a special hippopotamus. If you look inside his mouth, maybe you can see that light. There's a light that comes on. Well, that is going to do something. Watch. I want you to look into the light. Look into the light in his mouth. Look into the light. No, look at the light. Don't look at me. Look at the mouth. Look. Oh. He's hypnotized. Yes, I've hypnotized him. And now, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. He will now float up into the air. Float. Float up into the air. Look, he's floating. He's floating. Look, there's no string attached. He's floating into the air. Yeah, come back. He's floating into the air. No strings attached. But are you hypnotized? I hope he's hypnotized. Are you hypnotized? You are? Well, how come you're talking to me? You're not hypnotized. Yeah, stop it. I know. You're just playing along, right? Yeah. Well, sorry about that, gang. At least we tried. It did work this time.